Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will focus about different dimensions of arrays. First, we will start with the zero dimension. So if you are writing array ARR equal to np dot array and you are passing only number like this, okay, there is no square bracket or tuples or anything, just a number. That is a zero dimension. There is no dimension. So Control S and F5 will show you the output. You can see that there is no dimension. This is zero dimension array, no brackets, nothing. Okay. Then suppose if I write a square bracket, okay, and if I write some random numbers like 1, 2, 3 and 4, something like this, Control S. Okay, we have used one square bracket, that is a list form. Okay, and then F1. So you all can see we are getting the output with the bracket, that is one bracket, one dimension, you can say one dimensional array. Okay, then suppose for two dimensional, okay, if I write a one more bracket like this, okay, and comma, if I write for example one more like 4 5 6 sorry 6 and 7, okay, and then two times I will close. Okay, Control S. Okay, and then I will write I will press F5. Okay, see, we are getting, it is now it is two dimensional. See, it is two dimensional. And suppose if you want three dimensional, okay, so three dimensional is also possible. So again, here first of all square bracket, and here also closing square bracket, that is the one thing. Okay, and comma, and one more, for example 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, and we are closing this part, we are actually closing this one. Okay, and then again on this side, okay, just let me increase the size of this. Okay, and then again here also two dimensional, for example comma, there will be one more like this, 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 7. Okay, and then we will close the bracket. Okay, so this is actually three dimension. Okay, Control S and F5. Okay, see, we are getting answer as what? Three dimension. Three dimension. Okay, so that is all about actually zero dimension, or you can say that one dimension and everything. But suppose you have a data and you want to check that it is of zero dimension, or it is of one dimension, or it is of two dimension, then how to check, that is very important. So in the same program only we will do the editing or minor modification. A equal to for example np dot array, and I will write for example 40. There is no square bracket, nothing, so zero dimension. B is equal to np dot array, and inside the round bracket and square bracket we will write only one and two numbers actually right now, 1 and 2. Okay, we will simply copy paste this line. Okay, and then we will write c dot c equal to np dot array. Array spelling, it is y, here also it is y. Yeah. Okay, so here for two dimension we will use two square brackets. Okay, like this. So comma and one more square bracket, it will be 4 comma 5, and one more closing bracket. So it is two dimensional. And then d equal to np dot array. Okay, and three times you have to open, that is for sure. Okay, so we'll write 1 comma 2 for example, then comma, then 3 comma 4. Okay, then we are closing this two dimensional comma. So we are done with this two dimensional. Okay, then comma, then again same thing only, so copy paste, but we will change the numbers only. So it will be 5 comma 6, and it will be 7 comma 8, and then again one more closing bracket. Okay, and then round bracket closing. Okay, so we are done with the 0 1 2 and 3. Now how to print, that is very important. So Numpy array provides ndim attributes which returns answer in the form of integer, and it will tell you how many dimension that array have. Okay, so what exactly you have to write is, you have to write print. Okay, then print, name of the object is a dot and dim and bracket close. So likewise we will write for b also, c also, and d also. So same thing, only copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, b, then c, and then d. Okay, and then control s. Okay, and then f5. See what answer we are getting is that first one, it is 0 dimension, second one is the 1 dimension, third one is the 2 dimension, last one is the 3 dimension array. From this 4 print statements, 0, 1, 2, 3, as I said, we will get our answer also in the integer form. Okay, and it is not like we can have only 3 dimension, we can have a higher dimension array also. It is also possible, like means array can have any number of dimension actually. When the array is created, you can define the number of dimension, okay, how many dimension you want using this ndim argument. Okay, that is also possible. So we'll write one simple example for you all, that how to write a user defined dimension. So we will not require all this right now. Okay, we'll write a equal to np dot array first of all. Okay, and inside the bracket I will write, for example, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, and then square bracket close, comma. Now after this we can write n dimension, that is equal to, for example, we want 5 for example. Okay, and then suppose you want to print this uh, a also, and you want to print the number of dimension, then we can write print a will print this, your output, array output, but print a dot n dimension will print it is of how much, how many dimension. Okay, so we'll remove these lines also, control s and f5. Okay, array function got ndim. Oh, sorry, it was like ndmin actually, the spelling mistake actually. ndmin. Okay, okay, n dimensional minimum array, control s, f5. See, we are getting 5 dimension. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Closing also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this is for the second actually print, that is print a dot ndim. It is for that purpose only. Okay, so here actually remember one thing, while passing the argument you have to write it is nd and min minimum. Okay, and while printing n dimension you have to write ndim only, and this is the output of this. Okay, so now in the next video we will talk about indexing and slicing. Thank you everyone.